You think you need thousands to start investing? Not true. Even small amounts can grow into something powerful. Most people never start because they think they don't have enough. The truth? You already do. All it takes is one good decision and a bit of courage to change your financial life forever. Your journey to wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset and discipline. Set a clear goal, not just to make money, but to create financial freedom that lasts. You can't grow what you don't measure. Track every expense and control where your money goes. Save something, anything. Even $5 is the first seed of your wealth garden. Open that app. Make that first investment, no matter how small. Action beats fear. Read, watch, and learn. Knowledge compounds faster than money ever can. When you invest early, time becomes your greatest asset. That's how small becomes big. Don't chase hype. Own the market through index funds. Steady growth beats luck. Automate your investing. Let your system work, even when emotions don't. Every deposit, every month, every habit, it all adds up. Consistency builds empires. Skip the things that lose value fast. Your future deserves that money more. Wealth doesn't grow overnight. Stay patient. The slowest seeds bear the strongest trees. When markets fall, stay calm. Remember, downturns are discounts for the disciplined. Every fall is followed by a rise. The market always rewards long-term thinkers. Earn more than you spend. Use your time wisely. Your side hustle funds your freedom. High-value skills multiply income. The more you know, the more you grow. True freedom comes when your money earns money, even while you sleep. Use your money to improve life, not to show off, but to move forward. See the life you want. Then build the plan that takes you there. The goal isn't to get rich fast. It's to stay rich forever. When you learn something valuable, share it. Wealth shared is wealth multiplied. Freedom isn't a number. It's waking up with choices, not worries. Remember how you started. Scared, unsure. Look at you now. Smarter and stronger. Use wealth to make the world better. Helping others grows your legacy. True wealth is when the people you love also feel secure and happy. From saving coins to owning assets, that's the power of starting small. This isn't luck. It's consistency, patience, and faith in yourself. Don't limit yourself to one country. The world is your marketplace. Wealth equals time. Times consistency, times patience. Master this, and success will follow. This is Digital Prosper YT, where financial growth meets digital freedom. Subscribe, stay consistent, and keep investing in your best asset, yourself.